Texas pays through Odyssey, the same as Utah. Texas also asks for 3 things Utah never does. In the sidebar, under Administration, click Reports. First difference. The worksheet card names the 6 fee categories the portal takes: enrollment, registration, meals, educational services and tutoring, academic assessments, transportation. 6, and none of them is activities. Your fee catalog decides which column a charge falls into. A bus route is transportation, so it maps straight through. The yearbook fee is filed under activity. In Texas, that is not an eligible school charge, so Pearspark drops it into the last column. Other charges for review. Bill it to the family yourself. Back on Reports, click Compliance Checklist. Second difference. Texas sets the school no withdrawal deadline, so this roster has no clock. The parent reports the withdrawal, not you, and the family has 30 calendar days to do it. What disciplines the roster instead is the payment gate. On October 1st and February 1st, the program checks your roster against the state's public school records. A student who has left must be off your confirmation by then, or the school is holding money it has to give back. The dated obligations sit above the roster. Confirm enrollment by July 31st for full funding. Confirm a waitlisted student after September 15th, and their October installment pays 75%, not 100%. Third difference, and this one is a piece of paper. Click Print the Special Education Rights Notice. It prints on your letterhead in plain words. This is a private school. It is not bound by IDEA the way a district is. Enrolling here is a parental placement. Have the parents sign it at enrollment. Give them a copy. Keep the original in the file. That signature is your evidence the notice was delivered. 6 categories, 2 gates, 1 signature. Try it free at Pearspark.com.